XLR beta, usually you're fine without that. Again, some of these are legacy based. Okay, so let me run this file. Okay, so remember this example. This uses CAS. Okay, and I'm running this, and my sets are going to succeed for as long as I'm running this. Okay, so the moment I start running, let's look at the consumer Java file, and it's exactly the same thing. Instead of sleeping for 5 seconds, 1 second is sleeping for 5 seconds. Okay, and the other side succeeded. Okay, and now I run this. Run this again. Okay, so I have another instance of the same, right? Now there is going to be, optimistic concurrency control, and you'll see here that these sets succeeded, and I'm sure these two sets failed. Okay, and really randomly, hopefully at some point this will come back and succeed. At some point, come on. Oh, there you go. Okay, so when this succeeds, now this is going to fail. It's really entirely up to how well you grab the value. Okay, so I did a very simple example, very contrived example where I didn't really do anything with it. I just showed the problem of concurrency. Okay, what you deal with it, that's really your problem. You're going to go and fix it. Okay, as a teacher, the prerogative is to take the easy example and show you the problem. I like to deal with the more complex problems. So moving on. I still have some.
What about the president's thing?
Yeah. I want the teacher. I want to be sure of the teacher. Okay. So let's take a break there, and what I do is for the president. Okay. So so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to localhost. Okay, so that's the admin console. Okay, and you should see at least 44 keys in there. Okay, maybe more than that. Okay, so if you look at the data bucket, I have some 130. I have all kinds of things in there. So that's not very good. Okay, but essentially it's definitely more than 44. And I defined what is a view. I haven't got to it yet. Okay, but bear with me. I'll talk about that. And essentially there is a precedent, and it basically emits state and name. So it emits it by state, and it groups it by state and all that.